Sit down. We've got something to tell you. So Spain for me has been amazing. If you had a favourite adventure, what would it be? We've done loads, haven't we?
Oh my goodness, we've done so many. I think for me, the whitewater rafting.
Oh yeah.
I loved that. Anything to do with water. What was yours?
I don't know, like the lakes, going up to the lakes. Skiing has always been amazing for me over here. Doing the Via Ferrata is good fun.
Oh, it's amazing.
What else have we done? Like camping.
We've done the e-bikes up in the lakes as well.
Yeah.
That was fantastic. We've done dance classes.
Oh yeah.
There's so many things that we've done. Bread making, workshops.
We've done all kinds of stuff, haven't we?
So many different things.
And Spain has been really good to us. Spain is a beautiful country and an amazing place to live.
I mean, just the views that we have here is incredible.
It is. I love my little house.
Yeah.
And
Served you well.
it has. But I think for me, it's I can only speak for myself, obviously. But I think for me, it's time to move on. So,
yeah, I've been here for 8-9 years now, so kind of due for a change.
we are due for a change. And on that note, do you want to tell them where we're going?
We are going to Vietnam.
Yeah, baby!
Yes, we are.